Tomorrow, God was supposed to be crowned king. That night, he chose exile. The kingdom was celebrating. Ayodhya was ready. Ram, not just a prince, but Bhagwan Ram, was about to take the throne. Then, one promise changed everything. Queen Kaikeyi asked for 2 boons. Ram must leave for 14 years, and the throne goes to Bharat. No mistake, no fault, just loss. And this is where you see the difference between a man and God. A man would argue, a man would resist, but Ram laughed and accepted. Because for him, dharma was above power, truth was above the throne. He didn't lose the kingdom, he left it. That's why he's not remembered as a king, he's worshipped as God.